All right, this is behind the scenes of the light show and how it's all coordinated. Mr. Simon Pollack over here actually did all the coordinating. This is the man himself. He is here. He came from London. He came in one of these small planes, right? That one? He pulled up in that one right there.
Mine is just around the corner.
Yes, absolutely. Hey, we got a Tesla Roadster right next to the Cybertruck. Too bad.
Oh my God!
Too bad he can't participate.
He can.
He can. He could just flashes. You're kidding me. What? You heard it from the man himself.
I have a secret.
Uh-oh, you're live. I'm on Twitter right now. I figured. Oh, no secrets, no secrets.
It's not a secret.
No secrets. All right, we're going to stay back on that.
Really bad. I'm really hoping they can make the new ones soon. I hate to say it, I wish they weren't so interested in the taxi or the robots. I'd like them to make them.
Oh, snap. It's USB time.
That is so ubiquitous. It's the 1990s version. Everybody sees one.
Look how many people are here. This is nuts. I still don't believe this. This is crazy.
I've seen that at the Tesla Tyson's, right?
Is that the one?
Yeah, I've seen it.
The Starman?
Yeah, Starman. I've seen that.
That's sick. Oh, it's in Virginia. I just realized that.
I've seen it there. It's just parked there.
Yeah, I've seen a bunch parked there before.
I was there for service and then it's just parked there.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was actually Tesla's, but damn, it looks like it's, yeah.
How much? It's like $1 million, right? Or something.
No, maybe like 150K. I think so.
It's hard to find though. It's hard to get.
Yeah. I'm sure everyone's just gonna wait for the new one though. At this point. Oh my God! Look how many people are here. This is nuts. I feel like I'm gonna have to step in on this truck. Whose truck is this? This truck looks like... It looks like the size of the Roadster. About the same size. Look at how many people are here. This is nuts. All right.
It is dark.
A lot of people over here. This is nuts. Look at this. What's going on, man?
The Cybertruck on the end is this beast.
You mean Shaquille O'Neal Cybertruck over there?
No, Bitcoin.
Oh, the Bitcoin one.
It's the Cyber Beast.
Oh, that's the Beast one?
It's Beast mode. It's got tri-motor and it's got...
Oh, man.
They don't have the charging systems yet, the stage 4 chargers yet.
Oh.
Because you have to split, you have to charge half and half.
Yeah.
How many hear me?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right.
So if you don't know who I am, my name is Ty Burke. I am the media director for Maryland Tesla Owners Club.
All right. Yeah. He's in,
That's the guy we...
So, thank you. So I want to first thank you for coming out on this chilly evening. Give yourself a round of applause.
Yay, thank you guys.
This is, I was mind blown when I cut the corner and just saw lines of Teslas. So thank you so much on behalf of the club, on behalf of yourself. It's gonna be a fun night, y'all. So get ready. And like I said earlier in Facebook, bring your patience. We're gonna move this as fast as we can. We're gonna try to do this in one shot, not 8. And just have fun when you're doing it. Take plenty of video, pictures. It's a fun time. You're meeting new people if you haven't met them before. This is something really, really special. First, I want to give a special thanks to a few people. First of all, we have Tesla Service in the house.
Hey!
Thank you so much. We have Raul from Spaceship Wraps, right here in front of Maryland.
Hey!
A very, very, very special guest. He is the man with the plan, all the way from London, UK.
Hey.
Wales, sorry. Thank you.
Simon in the building.
UK Simon Pollack, which is the founder and CEO of xlightshows.io. If you've seen all the worldwide light shows, this guy created them himself. So, oh, sorry. The host with the most, Frank the Tank. Frank No is the guy that set up this venue for us to use tonight. So special shout out to Frank No.
Yay, Frank! Yeah.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do next. So we're gonna have everybody kind of huddled behind the Tesla Roadster. If you don't know or have never seen a Tesla Roadster, this is this red cream puff in front of me. We're gonna do a group photo.
Sexy.
Yeah, only 618 were made off the line. So this little group, yeah, well, number 618 was that was made off the line. So this car right here is where it all started. So we're gonna huddle behind that. Hopefully everybody took a shower today. And we're gonna do a group photo. Martin, where are you, my friend? Martin. Martin!
Back here.
There he is.
Martin's spinning out.
He's gonna be taking the picture for us, so let's get this out of the way, and then after that, you'll get more instructions on what is gonna be happening as far as the lineup. We're gonna be taking each model at a time. All we ask is to be patient.
Cybertruck's first?
Yes, Cybertrucks will be first, and that's what I'm gonna give you right now. So, more to come, but everybody get together behind the red Roadster. Martin will take the picture, and stop with the camera. Thanks, everybody.
That is nuts, man.
Yeah.
This will be on the Facebook page.
Yeah, man. Wow. How many people are here? That's nuts.
Whoa. It doesn't look like
Simon right there.
Yeah, I got him in this live stream. He started it off.
Simon should be standing right in front of you.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like on that side.
Hey, everybody.
That's him right there.
Yeah, man.
Bring over.
With the Adidas one.
So, real quick, I forgot one last person. I do apologize.
Tuesday. I'm sitting next to you. Oh, you're in the car.
Now, you're in the car?
Everybody in the picture.
Simon, you gotta get in the front.
Simon, Pickman, come on up.
Come sit in the middle. Simon, come sit in the middle.
Simon's in the middle.
Simon says, in the middle.
So one last person that I forgot to introduce, my bad, is the president of Maryland Tesla Owners Club, JD Taylor.
Hey,
I just wanted to thank you all for coming out. Really do appreciate it. I also want to remind you that all the officers on our club that did so much to help put this together. So I want to thank them as well. But also I want to remind you guys that if you go out to the members.marylandtesla.com, those are what we really consider our real members, because those are the ones that pay the dues, yearly dues. I mean, as little as $10 a year, and that helps fund a lot of this kind of thing. We don't make any money. None of the officers are all volunteer, and we do have to pay for events and try to do it the best we can of what we got. And a lot of it comes out of our own pockets. So we'd appreciate you all signing up, becoming real members under Maryland, members.marylandtesla.com, and that will help us do more events like this. And it's just kind of
yeah, sign up. I'm signing up.
We also have the holiday event coming up in December. That event will go to our plaid members. Ludicrous on down. That's
Yeah, why not?
membership. Doesn't mean you have to have a plaid. But
They did it last year. I missed out.
and
I would have
then
gone
we'll
if I
offer
known.
it down the line till we
I've never
sell
known
out
about
a
this.
give away all the tickets, which is 100 tickets. And we'll do other activities like that as well. We're working on maybe an EV light show where we go through not like this kind of light show, but actually going through Seneca Creek, the light display there with just electric vehicles. So we're trying to do that. If we do, it'll be November 26th. And then we also have the Clarksville event coming up. And on that same night,